Hi, I'm Alexey, and let's talk about test data. You know that thing that you're supposed to take care of, but somehow automated tests started missing the bugs, and CI pipeline started judging you silently. Maybe you've just fallen into the old good pesticide paradox. So you keep running your tests, but somehow the bugs don't care. What do we do? Create massive test data sets? Yes, sure, if you hate your free time. In my talk at Agile Testing Days, I will show you how automated test with randomized data saved the day in my latest project. We will go through the real life examples, laugh at some mistakes, and maybe even learn something useful. So I hope to see you there and bring your curiosity and maybe a dice.